In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add comments in a Confluence page. Whether you're collaborating with your team or just need to leave some notes on your own pages, adding comments in Confluence is an essential skill. It's a straightforward process, but one that adds a lot of value to how we communicate and document our thoughts. First, let's start from your Confluence homepage. If you're already logged in, you'll find yourself on this main landing page. From here, you can access all your spaces, pages, and other resources. This is essentially your central hub for all activity. Once you're oriented on the homepage, let's proceed to locate the page where you want to add your comment. You can access the page by navigating through the spaces listed in your sidebar or by using the search function at the top. Once you've found and opened the page in question, take a moment to scroll through it if necessary and locate the specific part you want to comment on. This leads us right into the next step, highlighting. Position your cursor and drag it over the sentence or section you'd like to comment on. Highlighting this text will bring up additional options that allow you to interact with the content more dynamically. At this point, you should see a small toolbar pop up near your highlighted section. One of the icons will allow you to add an inline comment. Click on this icon, and a comment box will appear on the right side of your screen. This is where you can enter your thoughts or feedback. Take your time to articulate your comment clearly. This space is perfect for offering insights, asking questions, or noting important information that might be beneficial to others or to your future self if you revisit this content later. After you've typed your comment, you're almost done. Review your words to ensure everything is correctly spelled and makes sense. Once you're satisfied with your comment, look for the Add button. Click on it to attach your comment to the highlighted section. This solidifies your input, making it accessible to others who have access to the page. And there you have it. You've successfully added an inline comment to a page on Confluence. This process is not just about leaving remarks. It enhances collaboration and makes sure everyone is on the same page, literally. Next time, when someone views this page, they'll see your comment. This feature can be particularly useful for projects requiring meticulous documentation and team feedback. Remember, clear communication and collaboration are key in any team setting, and mastering these little tools can make all the difference. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide helps you feel more comfortable using Confluence to its fullest potential.